Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with my CVS couponing haul for this week. All this was an awesome deal. There are some hot moneymaker deals, awesomeness at CVS this week. Now, keep in mind, there are so many more deals. Like, this is not it. There are hot deals on cosmetics. I know, like, the Joa cosmetics are free. I think CoverGirl is free. Wet n Wild gift sets are like 30 cents or something crazy. There are household promotions, food deals, all sorts of stuff. However, with me and CVS, I really just like to focus on things I really can use and things I really want. So I didn't want the cosmetics because for me, I have to pay tax. All this is free out of pocket, except I had to pay $4.95 of tax, which is, I hate tax. But I did get 2 of the Oral-B toothbrushes. That's how I justified it. We would buy these power toothbrushes, the generic at Walmart, for $3.50, regardless of a sale. We have to have them. So to be able to pay $5 for 2 power toothbrushes and all this stuff, yeah, that's what makes CVS worth it for me. So pick and choose. Go watch other YouTubers. Savvy Coupon Shopper had just like a massive haul. Like, she really crushed it at CVS. LA Savings 8, I watched her video too. There are lots of others who do great CVS videos every week. Go check them out. Yo Better Save, I know, has done some CVS stuff. Kaylee, I'm sure, will have a CVS video up. Kaylee Saves Money. So lots of great people to check out this week. But I just did the deals that I wanted to do. So this Crest right here is absolutely insane. The reason I've been hitting it up so hard at CVS is I'm making Christmas baskets for like, oh my gosh, I think like 12 people or something. So I want to make sure, like, I have a bottle of body wash for everyone, a bottle of, shampoo, conditioner for everybody. So CVS is really deodorant for everybody. And CVS is the store to load up on stuff. I used to think Rite Aid was so much better, but really it's not. CVS takes the winning for me for the drugstores. So the Crest is the best deal of the week by far. These are $2.99. I had a $3 off any 12 oral care CRT, which loaded in my card. Had a $6 off 4 digital coupon, and then I also had a $2 off 1 Crest coupon loaded, which both those came off. I don't know why, but both of them came off. I wasn't sure if I'd pay $2.96 or 96 cents because I wasn't sure if that $2 would come off, but it did come off. So here's how this looked. Had a great cashier tonight, or today. She was so nice. Okay, so she was like, she said, I think you're the only one I ever see come in here and get all this stuff for under $10. She said most people come in here and spend like crazy amounts. She was like, you are the best one I've ever seen. So I was like, wow, that's awesome. She knew about the YouTube. She's like, you have a YouTube channel. Someone told me you have a YouTube channel. And I was like, yeah, I do. So like, awesome. She was really good cashier. She took care of a problem we had on this mouthwash. But anyways, so this both came off. I had that 3 off 12 CRT. So really my total for this was what did it come to? Came to 96 cents is what it came to. I rolled a 96 or 99-cent ECB, but that doesn't matter to you guys. 96 cents. And this printed out a $6 extra buck because the promo is buy 2, get $3 with a limit of 2. So I got back $6 for buying 4. So I paid 96 cents and I got back 6. And that was awesome moneymaker. So it was like a $5 moneymaker. Crushed it. Rolled over to this transaction. Now you're seeing like the Palmolive and the Kleenex. These are not necessarily good deals, but the problem with CVS is you have to have fillers so you can use your extra care bucks. And I'd already used the extra bucks I had to get this all for nothing. I had to throw in these fillers. So the Kleenex was 99 cents and the Palmolive was 74 cents with the instant coupon printing at the coupon center. Okay. The Shick. Oh my gosh, I love this deal on the Shick. This is amazing. If you guys have the CRTs, line this up. Buy one of the Shick Hydro Razors for $10.99. And buy one of the Shick Hydro Silk cartridges for $10.99. That brings you to $21.98. I had a $5 off of any $20 shaving CRT. I had a $3 off of any razor cartridges CRT. I had a $4 off any Shick Hydro CRT. I had a $3 manufacturer coupon for this and a $3 manufacturer coupon for this from the inserts from 2 weeks ago. So that made it $3.98 out of pocket, and I got back an $8 extra buck. Oh my gosh, an $8 extra buck for all this? That's amazing. Amazing. And I had an increase. This was a total moneymaker today because I started there with $8.99 in extra bucks. I left with no subtotal out of pocket. I left there with $10 in extra bucks and a $3 beauty bucks. I had overall huge profit, like gain today. Now to the Crest. This was an issue. I don't know. It worked for me, or it did not work for me. Sorry, did not work for me. These are $4.79 this week. Buy 2 of them. I had a $2 off of any 6 mouthwash CRT. And then there is a $2 off digital coupon. That digital did not come off on this mouthwash. We both read it together, and after much thinking about it, we both thought about it kind of like, is this the wrong thing? We checked the ounces. She was like, you know what, I'm just going to take $2 off of one of them, and that's what she did. She price modified it to $1.79. I think's what she did. Yeah, she price modified it to... She price modified, yeah, to... It says $2.47. Okay, she made it $2.47. I don't know what's up with that. It should have been $2.79. She made it $2.47. And then I got back $6 in extra bucks. So this is a great little moneymaker on the Crest. So hopefully that makes sense. Let me show you guys the receipts. And she price modified that to $2.47. I know it's kind of weird. Here's everything that went down at CVS. Okay, so there's the Shick coupons. The 5/20 CRT, the Shick CRTs, the mouthwash, the Palmolive. And those are extra care bucks. Took off $10.97. So essentially subtotal was $10.97. I got back 8 and a 6. So it's a great moneymaker. Then I went over to this wonderful transaction. I had a $6 off any 30 purchase-based coupon. I got a 10 off of 50 today. Oh, CVS, you're challenging me. You're gonna probably make me go back in there and find something. But I don't know. No promises on that. But anyways, so I was like, you know, what can I do? What items can I grab that will work? So this is awesome on the Hallmark cards. They are $2 each this week. Had a $3 off 3 CRT. Plus, that makes it $3 out of pocket. I got a $2 extra buck for buying 3 Hallmark cards with a retail of $2 and up. So anyways, I made it $1 for 3. If your store still has 99-cent cards, there's a chance you could actually use that CRT, pay nothing, get back 2, but we don't have 99-cent cards here anymore, so whatever. Speed Stick is an epic moneymaker. Oh my gosh, this is a deal. So they are 2 for $5.50 this week, printing back a $2.50 extra care buck. So what I did, I had 2 different deodorant CRTs. I had a $2 off any one deodorant and a $1 off any one deodorant that printed out of the red box. So automatically that took $3 off the $5.50, making it $2.50. Then I had 2 50-cent off printables from their site. So it was like $1.50 out of pocket. Got back $2.50 in extra care bucks. Awesome moneymaker. Okay, the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Dry Shampoo. Thank you to Savvy Coupon Shopper for this. This is an awesome deal. These are $3.29 and they're buy one get one half off. So that essentially $3.16 or $3.29 plus $1.65. I think it's $4.78 or something. No CRTs or anything. I just got $3 back in extra bucks. It's like $1.78 for 2. But in the big scheme of things here, I wasn't using any CRTs besides that 6 off 30. Well, I wasn't using any threshold CRTs besides the 6 off 30 because CVS, if you got a 6 off 30, you can't like combine a 3 off 12 oral care or something. It has to be $30. And then you can use like general $2 off deodorant CRTs or 3 off 3 Hallmark. You can use those, but you can't use another spend CRT. I'm probably confusing you guys. I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore, but I don't know. Hopefully that makes sense. Okay, I just use these as a filler to use my extra care bucks. These were on clearance for 50 cents. And then I did the Oral-B. These are $6.99. Buy 2, get a $4 extra care buck. I had $2 off manufacturer coupons. So they made them $4.99 each. So that's $9.98. And I got back 4, making it, what does that make them? I think $5.98 for 4. Yes, $5.98 for 2, or $2.99 each. But in the big scheme of things, the 6 off 30, let me show you guys the slip here. Everything I got. There's the coupons, there's the Speed Stick, there's the Oral-B, there's the 6 off 30, the Hallmark, the deodorant coupons, and those are extra care bucks that I rolled in. I actually rolled in an 8 and a 6, so that's $14 of extra bucks. So this would have been like, there's $13.91, and then I got back a 2, a $2.50, a 3, and a 4. So 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $11.50 in extra bucks I got back on that $13.91. So net cost for this was a little over $2, which is awesome because I made so much money on these transactions. Like, I'll take a loss. And then this one, was, I don't know, this is probably where I should have stopped, but I went ahead and did the hairspray, the Nexus hairspray. I'm always good at getting hairspray for under $1. This was more than I wanted to spend. I spent $1.62 or $1.63, but whatever. So here's what I did. I had $13.50 in extra bucks I wanted to use on this deal. I could have got 2 of these and it would have been cheaper, but I would rather have the hairspray. Like I said, going for useful stuff. I'd rather have useful products than just a bunch of randomness. So this is $14.79. Who pays that for a can of hairspray? And then this little teeny conditioner is $11.99. And then I grabbed this as a filler to use my extra bucks at $1. So I had a $4 off the $18 Haircare CRT. I actually got 2 of those this week, so it's awesome. Then I had $5 digital coupons. I don't even know that they're available anymore. I clipped them like a month and a half ago or something. I had a $5 digital for this, and I had a $5 digital for that. Both came off just fine. So essentially, I believe that made it, after all the coupons, $12.98 or $12.78. It was $12.78. I got back the $10 for buying 20 worth of Nexus. So that was like $2.78, and that was actually enough to get me to Beauty Bucks. So I'll get back 3 from Beauty. So essentially, this was free for me. I just lost a little bit because of the sponges, but whatever. I'm pretty happy. This is a lot at CVS this week. I think it was $4.95 out of pocket, but I got some really useful stuff here. I'm happy with it, honestly. I really am. As you can tell by my nose, I need these tissues, right? And lots of the cards are great. You know, we'd probably pay 50 cents for a card at the dollar store. So I honestly think under $5 for all these products, and that's all tax, is pretty great. So that's all from CVS this week. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.